Okay. Hello, grade 10. So today we are going to discuss about the infinite geometric series. So if we are going to define infinite geometric series, these are the sum of an infinite geometric sequence. So dito kinukuha natin yung totality or summation ng ating infinite geometric sequence. So we have here our formula. S sub infinity is equal to a sub 1 over 1 minus r. Your a sub 1, that is your first term. Okay? R is the common ratio. If your common ratio is less than 1, that is converge. And dun nyo gagamitin yung formula. Okay? But if your common ratio is greater than 1, that is diverge. And you cannot solve, or ang ilalagay natin sa ating solution is cannot be determined. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, magsosolve lang tayo ng infinite geometric series kapag ang common ratio is less than 1 or kung ang series natin is converge. Pero kung ang common ratio is greater than 1, hindi tayo magsosolve. Ang ilalagay natin, the series is diverge and cannot be determined. Okay? So, let's have our example. So, let's have our first example. S sub infinity is equal to 1, 1/5, 1/25, and so on. Okay? So, this is our geometric sequence, and we're going to find the sum of this infinite geometric sequence. So, let's identify first all the given. Okay, what is our a sub 1? So, in this sequence, our first term is 1. Okay? How about the common ratio? Okay, if we're going to recall the formula in finding the common ratio, the second term divided by first term, or 1/5 divided by 1, that is 1/5. Diba? Any number that we divide by 1, that is the number. So, S sub infinity, so let's have our solution using the formula for infinite geometric series. So, we have S sub infinity is equal to a sub 1 over 1 minus r. Okay, our a sub 1, that is the first term, that is 1. And we have 1 minus the common ratio of 1/5. So, 1 minus 1/5, that is 4/5. Tama? Now, 1 divided by 4/5, that is 5/4. Nakuha ba? So, ibig sabihin, the sum of this infinite geometric sequence is 5/4. So, let's have our second example. We have geometric sequence of 4, 12, and 36. And we're going to find the sum of this infinite geometric sequence. So, let's identify first the given. So, our a sub 1 is 4. That is the first term. The common ratio is 12 divided by 4 is 3. Okay? Now, kung mapapansin natin, the common ratio is greater than 1. Okay? So, ang sabi natin, if the common ratio is greater than 1, the series is diverge. And it cannot be determined. Nakuha? Ibig sabihin, hindi natin makukuha yung sum of this infinite geometric sequence since the common ratio is greater than 1 and the series is diverge. So, this is your final solution in this problem. So, let's have our third example. We have 20, 10, and 5. Okay, we're going to find the sum of this geometric sequence. Okay. So let's identify the given. Our a sub 1 is 20. The common ratio is 10 over 20, and that is 1 half. Okay. So as we notice, the common ratio is less than 1. So this is converged. So ibig sabihin, magsasolve tayo dito. Okay. So our solution, using the formula of infinite geometric series, we have S sub infinity is equal to A sub 1 over 1 minus the common ratio. So substitute lang natin yung mga given natin. Our first term is 20 over 1 minus the common ratio of 1 half. Okay. So we have 20 over 1 minus 1 half, that is 1 half. And now, 20 divided by 1 half. So, para di kayo mahirapan dito, lipat nyo si 1 half. So, 20 divided by 1 half, then cross multiplication lang. Okay? So, 20 times 2, that is 40. 1 times 1, that is 1. So, our final answer is 40. Okay, ibig sabihin, the sum of this infinite geometric series is, or the sum of this infinite geometric sequence is 40.